How to post Instagram story. If you're looking to learn how to post an Instagram story, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest method to share your story with your followers. Instagram stories are a fun way to share moments of your day with your followers, and I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. Whether you're posting photos, videos, or even text, I've got you covered, so let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home feed. To post a story, look for your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen where it says your story tab. Now tap on the story icon. Now it will take you to the camera screen, or you can simply go to the gallery. Let me choose one photo. You can also click photo by manually, or simply select the photo from your gallery. For this story, I'm going to be choosing from my gallery. Now here where you can get created, you can simply add stickers, add music, and add text as well. Just do whichever you want to add, you can add it and simply click on your story, and that's how you simply successfully post an Instagram story. It's really that easy.